Here's my philosophy in life. If there's a fire, you put it out. If there's a flood, you fill sandbags and you build a dike. You roll up your sleeves and you get to work. A director's job is to make something happen, and it doesn't happen by itself. So you wheedle, you cajole, you flatter people, you tell them what needs to be done. And if you don't bring a passion and an intensity to it, you shouldn't be doing it. I guess Titanic because it made the most money. No, I'm kidding. I don't really have a favorite. Maybe Terminator, because that was the film that was the first one back when I was essentially a truck driver. The universe is like a giant bank vault lock, where the tumblers are constantly moving, and once in a while the tumblers line up and you have to listen for the click. So you must be prepared in that moment to step through the door. I dreamed I was a soldier who could bring peace. Sooner or later, though, you always have to wake up. When you have the feeling that anything's possible, sometimes you wind up acting on it. When the ship docks, I'm getting off with you. This is crazy. I know it doesn't make any sense. That's why I trust it. Writing a screenplay, for me, is like juggling. It's like, how many balls can you get in the air at once? All those ideas have to float out there to a certain point, and then they'll crystallize into a pattern. I do an awful lot of scuba diving. I love to be on the ocean, under the ocean. I live next to the ocean. If you wait until the right time to have a child, you'll die childless, and I think filmmaking is very much the same thing. You just have to take the plunge and just start shooting something even if it's bad. I actually started as a model builder and quickly progressed into production design, which made sense because I could draw and paint. But I kept watching that guy over there who was moving the actors around and setting up the shots. So much of literary sci-fi is about creating worlds that are rich and detailed and make sense at a social level. We'll create a world for people and then later present a narrative in that world. I'm hopeful that we'll be able to study the ocean before we destroy it. I don't look at scripts. I just write them.